Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take your Canva designs to the next level by learning how to create AI video avatars right inside Canva using the Neiro AI app. It's incredibly simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to bring your messages to life like never before. So, let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the Apps section within Canva. It's located right here. Scroll down until you find the Neiro app. Once you've found Neiro, click on it. Now, you can choose your desired design format. Whether it's a square video, a vertical video, or any other format, Neiro has you covered. Next, insert the text that you want your avatar to say. You can also choose a voice that matches the tone you're aiming for. It's all about making your avatar sound just right. Don't forget to select the language for your avatar's speech. Neiro supports a variety of languages to ensure your message reaches a global audience. Now, at this point, you have the option to preview the avatar's speech. Listen to how your message sounds before finalizing. Finally, when you're satisfied with your choices, click on the Create button to generate your AI avatar video. Once the video is generated, you can modify it as an element within your Canva design. Add backgrounds, text overlays, and more to make it truly yours. And there you have it. Adding an AI avatar to your Canva design is that simple. Elevate your Canva designs with Neiro AI today. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.